So this is the truck I picked up in Vegas, like seriously, what, 3 weeks ago? These tires are as high as my waist. Basically, the first week I got it back, they put new tires on it because theirs are really aggressive and loud. It's only got, I put 1,600 miles on it, 1,700. Now it's got less than 3,000. I'm driving to Louisville, Kentucky, and it's getting sold. So I'm going there right now. These things are pretty badass though. Super huge truck. Pretty much the biggest one that's stock they make. So I gotta go 703 miles. So after driving the 2022 2500 turbo diesel Prospector XL, which the XL means the bigger wheels, from Las Vegas to Minnesota, which is about 1,700 miles. Now I'm driving from Minnesota to Louisville, Kentucky. I can say the truck is awesome. Within 1,700 miles, different tires got put on it. Those are a little aggressive and a little loud, but I have to say it's a pretty dang nice truck. The technology in it is less than the TRX, but it's not meant to be a highway truck. The TRX definitely is smarter, but they're pretty much the same inside, just a couple more options when you're driving to change some of the settings. I love the truck, but I almost feel like for me, I would like the TRX more, unless I was doing some more off-roading. Like this truck, I think they build these in Montana. Beautiful truck though. So I'm 6 feet tall, and my chin goes up to the door here, which I think is pretty cool. And the wheels go up to my waist. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, they're just big wheels. It doesn't look like it on camera, but they are huge. I do like the aggressive tires. Again, they're really loud. So this truck is beautiful. Great display. I like to have the speedometer on there. I just feel like the TRX has more. It's a little bit differently set up here. You can run through the options, I believe, on this side, I think, kind of, or that's a Raptor maybe. But same thing up here. You have more of your auxiliaries with your lights and stuff like that, because it's got the roof lights and the front lights, the winch, stuff like that. And the TRX has the boost feature right here, the new TRX. But overall, and the TRX also has a bigger sunroof. This one is just the single here, where the TRX, it runs all the way to the back. This truck runs amazing. I mean, it flies. I went 98 miles an hour through Nebraska with it. Again, the tires are loud, but it had no problem doing it. I didn't feel like I was in danger with how big the tires are. The turbo, it's really hard to see. You know, you can't really hear it. I don't really floor it though either. So I'm very gentle on these cars. They're not mine. I can't remember exactly. I mean, I just feel like the TRX just had more options. This one has 3,500 miles on it. I put probably over half these miles on it, but very nice truck. Well, that's it. The 2020 AEV, which is the builder. That's it. Just brought it down to Louisville, Kentucky. These guys got an awesome accent. Just think it's so amazing. The AEV, again, is the builder. Such a nice truck. It is a monster. You're gonna miss it. 850 pounds of torque.